Let's cook some fish soup. First thing, we're gonna boil the fish head in the water. Cover it. Now I'm gonna take it out. Add my carrots, my pumpkin, my trocha, my pimento, my pumpkin, my spinach dumplings. Now I'm adding my banana. Now I strip off the meat of the fish head. I'm gonna add them back to the pot soon as it almost finished to cook. I add my noodles. Now I added my scallion, my thyme, my okra, my pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm adding back my fish. Now I'm giving it a stir. I'm covering up for 20 minutes. So now I'm checking if my soup ready. And it's ready after 20 minutes. So the whole thing take 45 minutes to cook. So you could check out the rest of the videos on my channel.